northwestern Pinellas County in west central Florida, northwestern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:40 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hernando County Airport to near Beacon Square to 10 miles west of Palm Harbor, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tampa, Spring Hill, Clearwater, Safety Harbor, Newport Richey, Oldsmar, Brooksville, Dade City, Bel Air, and Ridge Manor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for central and west central Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for central and west central Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough,